Alright, looks like I'm pretty... Yeah, pretty looks like the latency is pretty low. Alright, well, how do I... What's my URL? Copy. Let me go to Discord. Screw it. Okay. We're doing this. Is that the live link? I think so. Is someone actually viewing me or not? I don't know. Alright. Let's do this. Oh, you know what? Actually. Okay, it's still 338, huh? Okay, why does it say it's not? I don't understand. Oh, you know what? I know what I can do on stream, actually. Here, let's go to my character control script. I need to stop being able to walk over enemies, damn it. I've been procrastinating fixing that forever. Alright, player... Where the hell is my character controller? What is it in my actual script thing? Did I organize that? Huh? Did I? Actually, let me add some more of this shit to my... come on. Yeah, here we go. Husha! Yeah. Is that link working? Damn it. Alright, let me check my YouTube. Oh, here. I got it. Oh, here. I got it. Oh. Alright, I just totally messed myself up, but alright. Alright. We got this going on. Alright, now let me go back to my studio here. You guys can use the chat in here. Alrighty. Let me get this working with the movement script. Okay. So if I'm A, okay. Where's my obstacles? If game object layer is equal to player 4, okay, and I'm going into a base tile. And then has stairs, obstacles found. Okay, and then else. Okay. Does okay. Okay, or Glider. I. Actually, I'm just gonna consider. I'm literally just gonna consider my enemies an obstacle. Make that a lot simpler. I mean, if I gotta change it later, then whatever. Overlap. Gliders. I. Dot. Game object. Dot. Layer. Okay. And that's equal to a layer mask. And the layer mask I'm searching for is shit. Name to layer. And then let's call, and then I think it's enemy first floor. Let me check. Where is one of my little rats? Okay. Why? How are my rats on the UI layer? Dude, brah. I can't believe I messed up that bad. Okay. He is an enemy. Actually, let me just change it for my prefabs. Anybody who, the people that are watching, if you guys want to just talk in the live chat, I have super low latency, so I'll literally see what you're typing within like a couple seconds. And then this way you guys can give me a little bit of feedback, like what you kind of want me to work on once I'm doing art stuff, and like because I want to change out the UI during this live stream, so if you guys help me do that a little bit for the phone users, that'd be pretty convenient. Alright, let's go to my enemies. Rat. Okay. He is going to be on the, he's going to be an enemy. I'm tagging that as enemy. Where's the enemy first floor? Oh, enemy, just normal enemy. No. I wanted this to be default. Okay. And then this canvas is also default. Hey, why is this player 4? Now this can definitely be UI. Yes. Change children as well. And then this is the circle select. Yeah, screw you, default. Okay, now I got this set up with the layers are proper. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna edit this layer actually. How do I get the physics? Okay, ain't nobody typing anything. Okay, wait. Edit. Where's my project settings? Right? Physics. There we go. Wait, how the hell do I... Oh, here we go. Okay. Enemy first floor. Okay. There we go. Now I'm just going to add it to enemy first floor. Did I spell that right? Oh god, I don't know. Control C. That's the way a real programmer does it. Yeah, see, I didn't spell that right. Thank God I cheated. Okay, so now he has an obstacle detection for walking A. Okay. Now, make this a little simpler. It's a copy. What's the very first? I know it's not the A key. It's not the first one. I think the first key code I do is D. Is it really D? think I was like pretty uncreative when I did that. Okay, wait. If he's player floor. Okay. If game object dot layer is equal to player floor, so first floor, then I gotta look for my, and then if I also find an obstacle or find an enemy, then I can't walk. Control S. So I got W and A. Now I need S and D. Where's my S and D, damn it? So much code I gotta go through. Wish they made like some sort of like easy ass way to like. Okay, wait. Here we go. Player first floor. Okay. I'm on a different key. S. Paste. I just want to make it into an obstacle because it's just like the easier way to do it instead of making its own little for loop to check for enemies. Because I shouldn't be able to walk through an enemy just like I can't walk through a whatever. Okay. Now I got one more. I think it's D. Where is it? Okay, that's my key code up. So it should be right here. That's S. Where's... Okay. I got AWS. Where's my D? Where's my D, damn it? Where are you, D? Where is the D? Where is... Okay, that sounds weird. I'm not saying that anymore. Okay, this... Okay. W. Okay, so I got... Okay, wait. There's one. Alright, this what I'm about to do is a little bit cheating here, but watch this. This is how I can shortcut this, right? I can go input dot get key up, right? And then I can do key code dot D, right? Now I can highlight this and it tells me, see, up look up here, up in the little corner thingy, okay, up in the little corner. I highlight it and it shows me in code where this is, so I can cheat my way through it. So there we go, there's D. Okay, and now I found it in like 2 seconds. And then if I want to get rid of that one, okay, Control S, and then I go to the namespace where it says, you know, if that code is, that key is down, right here, and then I just delete it out of the hash. So this way, I don't need it anymore, you know. Pointless to have it in. Okay. So now it should work. Now my character should not be able to walk over enemies. Let's test it. God, I got a red line. Really? What did I... Or... No, I mean, that code's right, though. Or overlap... Oh my god, see? Look at this. I did it wrong. Like that. I put... Oh, wait, no, I did that part right. Is that the only one wrong? No, I have it, 267. Damn it, I seriously can't believe I did that. Okay, and then... I actually think that's my only error, but... 451. Yeah, my typos. Dude, I have like the worst. 451, 451. Here we go. Actually, that should be right. I don't know what's going on here. here we go. That's what I did wrong. One. Dude, no one's typing anything. And that was loud for me, so I can't imagine how loud it's going to be for you guys. Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah, see, that was everything. So stupid, man. Alright, here we go. I wish there was, like, an auto, autocorrect, you know? Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, you can't walk past them anymore. Eh? Why isn't he following me? Oh, he is. Oh, wow, okay. So it's still a little glitchy, though. Because if he's moving, right, then I can't walk past him. Die. But it's a little better. It's at least a little better. Yeah, see, I can't accidentally walk over him now while he is stationary attacking me. I can only face him. So that's at least a little better. Okay, so that's one bug. That's one bug fixed. Cannot walk over enemies anymore. The reason I have it like this, right, is, see, now, oh, wait, I don't even have the, never mind. Oh. Usually they get stuck in the wall. I'm surprised he didn't. Watch this. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Oh, I gotta be fast. Yeah. He went through the wall. Usually they get stuck. I'm surprised. Damn it. Yeah, basically my my enemy follow script is super simple because I rage quit the pathfinding like a week ago because I was trying like really hard to get A star done and it just was not working out and I was like, okay, I quit. I give up now by the. Oh, you know what? That's what we need to draw. We need to draw the XP thing. I need to start being able to level up, man. Okay, that's what we need to do. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let me use my magic art skills, okay? And let me upgrade this, because this does look like total shit. I don't know. Nobody's watching. I feel so lonely. No one's saying anything. Sad face. Nobody loves me. Nobody loves me. Alright, I don't know. Okay, let's do a vote. Let's do a vote. Vote. What should I draw on the build button? What should I draw? The build button. Really, guys? I see my viewers. I got viewers. Why aren't you guys just... I'm so sad. Alright, let me just clean this up, I guess. Nobody loves me. I'm just a germ. I don't even know if the shape looks cool, man. I'm not like a great artist, you know. I wouldn't say I'm a bad artist, but I'm not great either. All right. I don't know. Okay, so this is just a hammer, a ruler, a thing for actually building the... What if I switch them? What if I turn this into the thing to build and then the actual build button is just a hammer and like a saw thing? I don't know. Or maybe it's like a saw with a piece of wood through it. That could be kind of cool. All right, let's look. Okay, let's do this. So let's go back to this button. Let's get out of this. Let's remove these. Okay. add a new layer. And then let's make it a saw. Okay. A saw and a piece of wood. So let's get a rough outline of how... I'm doing this with a mouse, alright? I'm using my drawing pad for streaming, so I can't really do this like super good. Okay. So let's, trying to make like the general circumference. Okay. Alright, I know this is not like the best art in the world, okay, but I'm poor, I don't have enough patrons, I can't buy art from the damn internet, I'm broke ass motherfucker. Okay. There. We got this. It looks better. Okay. Now, let's just add the general shape. I mean, that looks like an anus or a piece of wood. Either one. Alright, now let's... Okay, this is too big, isn't it? Shit. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut, paste, right? And then I'm going to combine about right here. Okay. And then I'm going to, obviously, I'll going to downsize that as well. And then let's take this, cut, paste, and let's trace this to a point where it's, okay, that's a little better. Okay, cut, paste, and then let's make this down to like the corner. How about that? So kind of like the corner. And then now we got to make a saw outlines. Just kind of see if I can get like the the general gist of what I want this to look like. Okay, and then I know this is, man, I'm an indie developer trying to do all this myself. Oh shit. Oh come on. I'm cheating. Screw it. Alright, look at that right there. I mean, you can tell what that is, right? You can get an idea. Alright, and then maybe let's add one more. Except what a saw looks like. Saw. No, man. Shit. Everybody saw that. Yeah, I'm completely addicted to bad stuff. I'm a terrible human being. Saw a tool. Here we go. So it's kind of like these, kind of like a little bit of an edging. Slightly, though. Okay, let's see if I can add that edge in. It doesn't matter if it's realistic right there. I just gotta make sure I have it in the right heading. No, still don't like it. So let's make these teeth a little bit bigger. Okay, do. It's really hard when you gotta do pixel art, man. I'm probably, like I said, when I get a little bit further along in this developing, I might end up switching out of pixel, because it's kind of a nightmare to work with sometimes. Oh, yeah, here, let's see if someone voted or not. Nerd. Sup, nerd. Sup, nerd. Surprised more people joined. Alright. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Let me fill this in first, actually. Just so I don't have to keep worrying about this. Okay. It doesn't really matter if it's a good wood color or not. It just needs to be something here, a little bit more milky color. And then that's a little bit darker because it's the center. that's, I don't know what the fuck that is, but that's not wood. Whatever, man. Come on. Come on. You're killing me here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Fuck you. Okay. That's fine. If anybody's got a problem with it, you can... Yeah, okay. Jesus Christ, man. I'm at work. Oh, what's up, man? Sorata Sairu Hoshi, I'm guessing. I don't know. It sounds Japanese. Well, I'm at work too, buddy. I need your help, man. I don't know if this is a good build thing or not. I don't know. Should I just like? I'm Nub. Oh, what's up, Nub? All right. Let's Okay, let's just work with this shit, I guess. All right. I'm gonna have to do this super layer. That does not look like metal. Fuck. Whatever. Okay. Let's get a more metally color. A little darker, I guess. Here. Yeah, that's better. And then let's get a layer that's even slightly bit darker. And then this will be the teeth for the blades. Okay. I don't know. Huh. I can't tell. How does that look? I mean, obviously this isn't going to be the final thing. It's just the outline, but... I don't know. Does that make it more... I think that's less obvious what it is, right? Shit. A saw in log. Yeah, because, like, I'm going for that, like, it's being crafted. I don't know. Gotta make sure I don't got no porn tabs up. Jesus, man. Okay, bruh. Goddamn. Alright. Building button video game. I don't want to Google, man. Oh! So they got like a little wood thing, like a little wall that's like half constructed. I don't know. Maybe that's how I could do it. I don't know, man. Can't figure this crap out. Okay, I need to make that brighter. Wood is a little brighter than that. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to actually trying to make this into something conceivable. Alright, maybe I'm gonna make a smaller saw thing, right? And then a smaller piece of wood. And then that'll be like a... So, I don't really like this. So we're gonna scrap it. Okay, now we're gonna go towards black again. And let's figure out something that'll work. Yeah, see, this is the thing that's why I don't like to do the UI developing. How about a hammer striking a plank? Okay. I already have a hammer, though, for the build button, but okay. Oh, maybe a handsaw on a plank. That could work. Right. And then, yeah, see, this doesn't do very well because it's so small, you know, it's pixels. Okay. Okay. Dude, that is one of those, oh man, it's pixel shit. Oh shit. Cut. Paste. Alright. So now it's like this. Okay. And then maybe maybe I will do a plane. Let's look here. Okay, so one more layer. Okay. And then let's make a piece of wood. Okay. So let's start it small. It's getting closer to us. So like this. And then here's a piece of wood. Here's a piece of wood. Okay. And then let's fill this in so we get a little bit more perspective of what exactly it's doing. So we'll just, actually I'm going to do separate layer because it always makes the re-editing part a little bit easier. So it's light. Okay. And then, oh, you know what? I got it. I know what to do. I know what to do. This will look pretty cool. Okay, so let me, new layer. Okay. Black. Like this. And then we're gonna start from here, and we're gonna anchor this. Okay. And then we're gonna add one more layer lower. Okay. I like to explain my method of thought, just in case there's anyone who wants to be an artist or something. No. Okay, and then we're gonna right here. Right? If anyone gets what I'm doing here. Right? Then behind we're gonna do one more, right? Alright. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, get what I'm doing there? I mean, I think that looks better. Alright. It's just like... Okay, and then let's add this part. Okay, now let's get a bird's eye view. Yeah, if I scale that, it might look okay. Or, you know what I can do, right? I can add these. Okay, one more. Let's get rid of the background. Quick. Get a visual reference for this. Right, and then copy visible. Okay. And then, okay. And then let's get rid of all this. New layer. Edit. Paste. Okay, and then what we'll do is we're gonna cut this. We're gonna downsize it slightly. All right, bear with me while I do this. So, oh, you know what? Wrong side. I don't want that side. Okay. Cut. Paste. We're gonna oh shit. Okay, and we're gonna combine this a little bit. And then we're gonna make the top part ever so slightly smaller. Here to here. Okay. Now, you're going to be wondering what was the point of that. Because I'm going to add one more layer. And in the background, I'm going to add a half-built wall. Like they did in Fortnite. And see how that works, how that looks. And then it's just... Okay, that looks like shit. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right? I don't know if this looks good. Shit. I think this does kind of look good, actually. I think I see the potential in this. Okay. And then let's, actually, let's add some color to the handle, though. Before I, this is just this very miscellaneous. Make it more red, too. Okay. Sure. Okay. Black. Okay, that works. Actually, you know what? No. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, and then... Okay, now... Let's edit this. Ooh. Okay, now let's add the wall. Let's give the wall color. Let's just turn it into like a grayish red for right now. Just so it's simply so it sticks out, kind of. Okay, so let's select red. More on the yellow hue. And then let's make it kind of... Yeah, okay. I was thinking like, I don't know, brick, but yeah, this looks like shit. Whatever. I'm trying to get a reference, I just want to reference how it'll look. Oh, you know what? You just gave me a good idea. Yeah, what if I just turn it into like scaffolding? Like it looks like, when a house is scaffold out of wood. Yeah, that would be probably be a way better idea. Okay, house wood skeleton. Yeah, that would probably be a really cool idea, actually. Just do it this way. Here, let's do something like this. I think this will really work well. Okay, okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah, actually, that doesn't look very good. It's because of the size of the damn. Oh, I don't know, man. This shit takes. Okay, maybe if I just do one. Start with a dark color. Okay, uh, wait, what? My God, so bad at this. My dick. Mm. I'm trying to draw like studs, you know, in the house. Like, I'm just trying to figure this out, man. It's ridiculous. Come on, seriously, damn it. Okay. You know, actually, I could see that looking okay, though. I could see that looking okay. Once it's completed. Yo. Oh, that's such an attention whore. Alright. Let's get a better... Okay, I think the color wood I'm going to use for this, because it's more light exposure, it's bigger, it's a little bit more yellow. Okay, let's see here. Maybe not. You know, I think I'm just going to make that more even. Yay, oi. Okay. Wait. I said no. Okay. Now let's add. You know, I gotta admit it's not as bad as I thought it would be. And then like I could make it like kind of artsy, you know, and like kind of like that douchebag artsy thing and like do this. Or like I add in like a greenish, you know, like a kind of like a dark matte green, right? Let's see what I'm about to do here. Add this. Smudge. Oh no, too much. Still too big because it's fucking pixel art. God damn it. I'm not used to pixel art, people. Right, and then add in these like two little highlight patches, right? And then that gives it this kind of blend. Okay. And then we'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Okay. Okay. Yeah, see, when it's hidden, it doesn't look so bad though. So we're gonna change the color of this wood frame though. Probably gonna make it a little bit lighter and a little bit more. Let me make a copy of it. Okay. Okay, and then let's hue chroma. Add more chroma. Make it more orange. A little brighter. And then now let me edit out these lines. That's a little bit better. Oh wait, is someone actually asking me something now on live stream? Is it better or not? Hey, is it better or worse doing it like this? Does it look like, is it more obvious it's building or like less obvious? I need to know. Okay, so I should probably get rid of this. Dude, why does this still look so much shorter on that side? It's weird. It doesn't really matter though, because it's not. It's supposed to be a real perfect house, anyways. Okay. Shit. Is it better or worse? No. Oh my god, dude, I cannot tell. Yeah, if anyone's ever wondering why my art updates on this Boundless Kingdoms is so slow, it's because I'm not very good at art, but I can do art after a long time. So it just takes me hours, and then eventually I'll make something that's kind of decent. Okay, let's see what this looks like. You know what? I'm happy with it. Wait, where the fuck is it? Oh, here we go. I'm happy with it. It's not so bad, actually. I mean, I don't know. Fuck. I don't know. Maybe it's not that good. Shit. The confidence is not very high. I don't know, man. It could be worse. It could be better. Alright, let's just add, I mean, obviously I'm not done with it by a long shot, so let's just keep working on it. Okay. Let's add the actual proper colors now, though. So it's going to look a little better. Okay, so go to this and make it a perfect angle. Okay. Now let's get rid of this. Okay. Okay. This perfect angle is right here. Okay. Now, what color gray do I want this? That's a better gray, I think. Okay. Actually, you know what? This will be the edge gray for the saw teeth. Okay. And then oh no. Oops. Okay. Okay, so let's make a decent border color for the wood. So this would be my guide. I think this will be a decent border color. Okay, so let's go from this point and then extend to here. Okay, and now we go back to where I overlapped. And we just color correct it. Okay. Actually, you know what? It needs to be at an angle though. Okay. How about I just... Yeah, that's better. Okay, and then... Okay, let's do this here. And now let's... No, because I only want the actual outline, okay, to be from here to, let's say, here. And then the rest of it is going to look like it's a normal color, okay? So let's go back to the tooth. Okay? And then let's add in the saw, right? Now this gives the illusion, but it's also out of shit. Okay. Okay, here. That's better. Okay, that should be fine. No, that should be fine. Oh shit, come on. Okay. There we go. Now it looks a little bit better. A little bit more muted. Okay. Now, you can tell from a distance, right, that it's sawing through where it's supposed to be sawing through, I guess. Okay, now let's fill in these gaps so I can edit more on color and make this look a little bit less of like an atrocity. Okay, I think I'm gonna color edit this part and make it a little bit brighter. Okay, because I think like a big part of what makes a piece of wood unique is the centers are rarely ever the same, or like never the same color as the outer part, and that's even when it's cut wood. So at least it's not perfect. Okay, a little better. I'm gonna have to make this a little bit more pale color, but it's still, you know, it's fine for right now. All right, now I can at least tell accurately what this is supposed to be. Now let's change that wood handle color. Wood handle color, just a dark brown. Okay. And obviously, I want this whole thing to be pretty even. Oh shit. Okay. Shit. Oh. That looks okay. Oh. Come on. Later. I don't want to update line right now. There we go. Okay, now the magic is going to happen. Now it's going to be detail. So let's add another layer. And this is going to be the same color as the outline color. So, okay. Now what this is about is adding a low opacity, right? And then adding in the lines. The things that make wood look like wood. And then add a color, add a squiggly, a squiggly there. That's still two. I don't know how to do this because it's so low on. Okay. And then let's add a darker. Okay. Line next to it. Okay. See, this is how I do it in normal art when it's not pixel art, but it's hard because there's a really big difference in normal art and pixel art. So I don't really know how to translate the same kind of stuff. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna smudge it. Jesus Christ, dude. What the fuck is our neighbor doing, dude? Is he murdering somebody? I can hear my neighbors screaming at the top of their lungs, like when I'm playing video games. Alright, here, let me add in a highlight that's linear. So it'll give it an appearance of lines. Maybe that's how I fix this with, Right. that gives it this appearance, this illusion that there's lines going through it. Maybe. Okay, and then let's add the overall brightness to this part. Like so. Paintbrush. And then what we're going to do, just going to add random stuff that is going to make this look like it has lines, like wood does. Okay, and now let's look at this from a distance. See, from a distance it looks a little better. Okay, now let's add in a little bit of shadowy highlight, darkness. And then it's going to be linear too, though. Okay, and then let's add a tiny bit. No, too much. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you guys a cool trick. Oh, if it's selection, then go back, and then I can't actually go out of the lines of this. And the reason this is really useful is now that I'm going to be adding in a little bit of a red back glow, right? I can line this in, right? And then when I go to smudge it, I don't accidentally smudge out a line. Okay. Because I want to add in the overall aesthetic to this, right? Because obviously the lines and everything else are not going to be all the same color. Okay. Damn it. Oh, oops. Got stuck there. Actually, that doesn't look so bad, though. Might have to add this a little bit more yellow. Still might be too tan. But I don't know. It might be a little bit too... Okay, wait. Let's go to colors. Healing chroma. That's a little better. Yeah, it's a little better. And I added just slightly more yellow. It's better. Alright, now it's time to work on the saw. See the difference between adding in texture? It makes it look so much better with texture. Alright, layer. This is going to be the saw. Let's add in a pretty bright highlight that goes across the top. Actually, no, I got my center of light here. So what I want to do is I want to add a midway light. Okay. And then this light is going to dampen off. So add in an even brighter highlight, mid-tone, and a little bit more. And then we're just going to do the single concentration streak right here, and then we're gonna go off down to mid-tone, and then this, see, it's very close to the saw color. Okay, now what I can do to add a little bit more to this is like add it even darker, but I actually put it around the saw teeth, not on the saw teeth. Because the saw teeth are supposed to be brighter, right? So why would I want to add too much emphasis? And then add a little bit contrast to the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to blend it slightly. Okay. See? I want to give this an appearance of curvature. And then let's cut off this. Okay, and then let's round it on the side. Okay. And let's round this off even more. Let's make this a really refined light. Okay. Might not be sharp enough now. We'll see. And then I think this outline needs to be slightly brightened in spots. And then put more emphasis on some others because, here, let me delete it there. Okay. Some emphasis on here. There we go. Now, it's not so uniform because, you know, metal is a very shiny thing. So you don't want it being very clunky uniform. It just doesn't look good. And then let's add that line of highlight. Okay. Yeah, no, from a distance that looks kind of good, but from close up, I don't know. Don't know about it. Oh, sawdust? I don't know if I have room for that anymore. But I get what you're saying. It's actually kind of a good idea. Alright, now we're gonna add more detail to this part. Okay, first, I want to make this look the most round. So I'm putting the most emphasis here, because this is going to be the part that sticks out the most. Okay? And then this part is round. Okay, it's rounded, but it's not as close to the viewer. And then this part, I think, is going to be a little bit more saturated. Okay. And let's add one pretty high highlight here. Okay. Let's see how this all looks so far. Okay, and then let me smooth out the edges a little bit. Okay. Alright, let me exit out a little bit. I think I need to just get rid of that top part of the highlight. Actually, no, from the actual distance, I don't think it looks so bad. Sure. You can download it, and you can save it. Let me make a file. At everyone, the downloaded versions save function works already. Okay. You know, I'm still gonna make that a little brighter. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. I don't, I think that's a pretty decent build thingy. I don't know if I'm gonna put that as the project thing or the actual button for building, but yeah, it's not so bad, right? I don't think so. I think it's better. I mean, it could be better. It could be even better, obviously, but it's definitely not terrible. Okay. Now, this is going to be the trickiest one. I got to try to figure out how to blend this well, while still giving it this defining. Okay, so let's add in a really yellow highlight. Not that yellow. Okay. This is going to be a and this way I can add a little bit of a more mild tone. I mean, this mild tone can be set as the mediator. Okay. And then let's have a really dark. This is the shadow. Spider pig. Spider pig. Spider pig. Alright. Alright, let's just use this as a really general. Alright, build button version 1.0. Come on, you fuckers. Oh, come on, I don't know. See, I got a Japanese computer, and this thing like randomly will. Oh my god. 1.0. No, it looks like version 10, huh? 0.1. Because this is not still the final version. It's just the debug version. God damn it. That does look kind of cool, doesn't it? Look at the way that looks on the small icon. I think that looks really good, actually. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being overly optimistic. I don't know. Okay. 64-bit. 60 pixels. Okay, now we go back and we look at the build. Okay, where's the build button? Oh, here we go, build button. that actually looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah, this doesn't look so bad at all. I think it gets the point across. All right, so let's switch off that. Now that we have this build button, let's make the other one the new one for selecting, like, craft what you're gonna be building. Okay, so let's select this. Okay, and then, I mean, obviously this isn't done yet. It's not the full version, but it looks better than what it was. So let's, get all this. Okay, so visible. New. Edit. Paste. Okay. Yeah. That doesn't look so bad, right? Doesn't look so damn bad. Not at all. Alright, export as, oh no, file, export as, and then this is going to be build select button, and then this is going to be the 0.01 version of it. Okay, export, let's, moving this shit around a little bit. Okay, you know that I think this is better. I think this definitely looks better. Yep, I'm gonna copyright the wood print. Is that a gold nugget? No, it's a helmet. It's a helmet. I know. God damn it. It's a hard hat. My wife said the same thing. It's a hard hat. Damn it. I think it looks. Damn it. Why does that look like a gold nugget? It's hard because a hard hat's supposed to be yellow, right? And you're killing me. You're killing me. Okay. Let's test it. Get out of here, rat. Die. Yeah, I have some of these rats set to one-hit kill because I just don't want to sit around killing them forever. But I can't move past him anymore, so that's good. So I was able to bug fix it pretty well. Ugh. So he shouldn't glitch out anymore, honestly. Unless I can make it to where he... No, not really. So, no more buggy... Oh, no, I still bugged him out somehow. Oh, damn it. Yeah, let's just build a thing here. Gold nugget. To be honest, orangish. Okay, I'll make it more orange. Damn it. Alright, now I gotta redo the crafting button. Well, that's a bug. I thought walking past Emma is nice. Yeah, no, it was a bug. I just didn't fix it yet. I fixed it, but I hadn't fixed it yet. Because, I mean, you shouldn't be able to walk past enemies. It's annoying. I don't know. I don't think you should be. By the way, this is the little drop-down menu I have so far, so if anyone's gonna complain, damn it. Just, be gentle. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. I think it gets the point across, too. That you're... I think this looks good. I'm really surprised how well that turned out. Obviously, it's not done yet, but I think it definitely gets the point across. How it... Oh, sweet. See, now it's working. It doesn't always work. Sometimes the tree doesn't render properly. Oh my, I like this way better than the ML or Terrera. Wait, you like what way? Like walking over enemies or something or what? I don't know what you're talking about, sorry. I wasn't able to listen all the way first. Are you talking about the drop down menu? Okay. All right. Let's see if it won't break the game, though. Oh, God. You know, actually, let me build another wall quick. Actually, let me build the staircase in there. Yeah, no, it doesn't matter where. Fuck it. Okay. I'm gonna have to make like a little notification that tells you. Okay, it's. Oh, it didn't crash it. Thank God. Okay. Okay, I was able to make it successfully without the fucking game crying. For some reason, I got this thing, and I'm gonna get it fixed eventually. But basically, if you have the exact amount of medium logs and large logs that are required to make a the whatchamacallit, the staircase, it will sometimes throw an error on my server on my dev side. I don't really know why, but it's really annoying, and I definitely got to fix it because I don't know if it'll cause any server problems eventually. So I got to try to figure out what exactly it's doing, why it's exactly doing that, but it's not really straightforward, honestly. So I got to figure it out eventually. All right, so now let's have the last thing for this live stream before I call it a night. I'm gonna work on this button, the craft button, and make it look even better after I tomorrow or something. But fuck you, stupid ass rat. Yeah, I noticed with that the difference between Mysteria Legacy and my game too, though, is when you're trying to beat out enemies, it's better to kind of like try to lead them while they're walking. I also got to make it to where the enemies can't walk over each other. I don't like that either. I think I'm definitely gonna change that. I think these are all one-hit enemies. Yeah, they are. God, they didn't drop anything, dude. That's unlucky. Because like I do have like a 30% chance they don't drop anything, but I was not expecting them to actually not drop it. Rat live, basically. Alright. Alright, let's make the, whatchamacallit? Let's make the grass quick. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'm gonna work on my dirt tiles, because I haven't updated the dirt. It's still, you know, these are the same dirt tiles that are in Mysteria Legacy. Everything else is basically different except this and the... Wait, am I on patron map? Let's look. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't care, line. Let's look. I don't know if you... Yeah, this is the patron map. You guys get to see this really cool stuff. Watch. That only the patrons get, but it's really far away, so let's get to it first. Here we go. This is Mysteria water, too. Just use a shit like dirt and yeah. Actually, I'm gonna make it to where these aren't walkable too. I'm gonna have a limiter where you can't walk on water. Obviously, you're not Jesus. I'm gonna make it where you can't walk on water, but you can dig and stuff like you can in Mysteria. So, but that's really easy. All that is just switching between a sprite and a layer on the grid. So, like if I'm hitting this, right, then it'll just swap the sprite and it'll change the layer of that sprite on the grid, and in that way you can walk across it. That is so easy that I don't really need to I don't really need to like spend a lot of time on it, so I'm kind of saving it for last because it's just something that'll take like 10 minutes in code to like dig and stuff. Is really easy stuff. So the hardest part is like crafting and setting up all the tables and stuff. Fucking rat, get out of my life. Oh, it's a tough rat, too. Oh, you know what I need to do? I know what I should do quick. Here. Let's, go to my player container. Okay. And let's go to the player. Okay. Now, let's add in a name. Okay. So, let's, call this, serialized field. And this is going to be taking in, we're going to be using... Unity engine .ui, okay, and this is going to be a text, okay. This is going to be called name text, okay. And then we're going to have another one, which is going to be called, oh wait, sorry, comma. And then another one that's going to be called level text. And then another thing that's, maybe that's it. Oh, no. And then how about this? Guild text. Okay. Now, you might be wondering, what is all that for? Well, I'll tell you. We're going to be having an invisible text layer that becomes visible when you scroll over it with your mouse, like in Mysteria. So, like, if you click on something or, like, if you put your mouse over it, it becomes visible. I think that's just a good way to, like, show character names. Alright, so let's go to my scene view. Let's make this little bubble. Actually, where did I put my chat bubble? I'll put it around the same area as that. So, clear body canvas. Chat bubble, here we go. Okay. And then now let's duplicate this. Okay. Duplicate. And this is going to be called player name. Shit, name text. Okay, and then let's add this. And then let's say Kaola. And then let's add in a different. I think basketball is all called? I don't know. Alright, let's add in a little bit bigger too. Let's make this 40. It's up. Okay. Let's should I head it like this? Should I say name and then put the character name like that? I don't know. You guys got to tell me if that's better or worse. Name, and then maybe to the side. Let's center it first. Okay. And then let's do this, maybe. I don't know. We can mess around with it. And then I'm gonna have a duplicate. And we're gonna wait, where is it? Player name text. And then we're gonna name this over. And then we're gonna, oh, you know what? Actually, it'd be better if I just make it all part of one element. So this way we can do this. Watch. You'll see why this is a good idea. Okay, and then name level. Level 1. I don't know. Shit. Okay, but I want this size a little better. Okay. Name. But why doesn't that? I don't know, something about it I'm just not happy with. I don't know what it is. And then, fucking damn it. Okay, you know what? Let's use a content size fitter because this is just. Okay, create an empty. And then we're going to say content size fitter. Okay, and then we're going to put a grid layout map. Okay, fuck you. Fuck you. Okay. Now let's I think I want this cell size a little smaller. Okay, let's I want the Y a lot smaller, man. Okay. Let's make it 50. Yeah, that's better. Okay, 50. And then let's make the cell, let's make the X size though like 200. Actually, we don't need to make a constraint on this one, but let's just say 300. Let's just make it really ridiculous. And then what we'll do is for vertical minimum size. Now let's add something here and then say this is oh no, I don't want that part of the same thing. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, name, level, and guild container. I don't know what else to call it. Okay, where's my guild stuff? Duplicate. Okay, see what I'm saying? So it makes it fit perfectly now, but I gotta figure out where I want this. Maybe like this. I don't know. Alright, now let's change it. Let's say guild God or Creator Inc. I don't know, something stupid. Guild Creator Inc. And then what we could do is we could have this, okay? No, still looks stupid. God damn it, I can't figure this out. Oh no, there's just something I just don't like about it. Having it like that. How does Mysteria do it? Let's look. Let's cheat. Let's cheat. Man, screw this. Okay, play now. How do they do it? How do they? Man, I got proof on this, man. I gave this guy all the proof he needs that I'm ripping his game off. I mean, I'm technically not. I am doing a lot of stuff different that he did not do, but... Okay, let's look here. Oh, that's loud as fuck. Okay, come on. I seriously can't. Dude, thank you so much for keeping my... Okay, so he does Kaolimation levels... Kaolimation level 62. I'm live streaming a devlog. Oh shit. Oh, chat. Devlog for Boundless Kingdoms, but I'm trying to see how this guy has his chat name thingy set up. Okay, so let's say I type. Okay. Hello clears. So he doesn't overlap. He doesn't even bother separating it, okay? But this gives me a good idea. What I can basically do is I could add a little bit of height to mine, okay? So basically, this is my idea now. I'm going to get rid of the name part. Maybe put Kaola. Okay. And then I can say, maybe on the same line, Kaola level 1. I don't know. Kaola level 1. I don't know. Something about it's just still... I don't know. Man, it's still bothering me a little bit. And then now I don't like... oh yeah, you know what? I'll just solve it by doing this. And then let's decrease the padding. Wait, where is my padding? Bottom. Here, let me go right above my health bar. And then where's my chat bubble? Let's go local chat bubble. What the fuck? Oh, that's all one thing. Okay. Let's make the chat bubble here. I don't know. It's kind of hard because I don't really know how to like put all this container in like that, you know? So, alright, you know what? Fuck it. 25. Perfect. Alright, now it's all one line. Maybe I could do something kind of cool like this. How about this? And then I could say in the... Oh, you know what? Let's just change the color. So let's change this to... Let's change it to like a yellow if it's your guild, okay? So then I'll say like gods amongst us. I don't know. Okay, that kind of hurts my eyes, but you get the point. Shit. I changed the outline. Okay, and then let's change. Okay, text color to that like crazy cool color. Gods amongst us. I don't know. Maybe I gotta go for a softer color. I don't know. Here we go. I don't know, man. This is ridiculous. So much shit I gotta try. Okay, so how does that look? Well, that's not the way it's gonna look in the game. I'll show you the way it'll look. Yeah, let's just fuck it. Let's try it. It's not even showing up because I forgot to add the what layer is it? Okay, it's gotta be UI. Okay. Oh, it doesn't have a canvas. Oh, yes it does. It's in a canvas, bitch. What the fuck? Why isn't this working? Okay. God damn it. Why isn't it working? No maximum play, you fuckers. Yeah. It could just be the grasses too. Let's check. The grass is like on a slightly elevated layer, and so it does blob some things out. Okay, what the fuck? Okay. Why is this not... Okay, let's check here. I don't get it. Why isn't this showing up? Yeah. Hi, Maki. I'm on a live stream right now. See all the people talking? Okay. Look. I'm full on famous. Yeah, this is my wife. Come here. Oh. It's my wife.
Where's the camera?
You look right here.
Hey there.
Oh. What kind of video do you think I'm shooting, Maki? It's a devlog. Ah, damn it. I'm dead now. Okay. I don't know why this is not showing up. Let me. Oh. Yes. Okay. Okay. Do whatever you want, honey. Yeah, of course. Huh. Okay. Let me type something quick. Yeah, I'm immortal right now. I didn't set myself to die yet. Okay. Hello? Okay, so this shows up.
Did I sleep?
Maki, shut the fuck up. People can hear you. Huh. I don't really know why this isn't popping up. Huh. I don't get it. Rat OP kill him. Yeah, basically. Oh my god. What? That's what I did? Seriously? Oh my god, guys. I'm so retarded. Okay. See, I have an animator attached to it. That's why. And the animator turns off the text component because it's set to go off in code. Because I duplicated the local chat thing, and I totally forgot I did that. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Let's maximize on play. Yeah, here we go. So, Kaola, level 1, God amongst us. Oh, yeah. I don't know if I like that center, though, so let's reformat the center a little bit. Because I gotta realize that some people are gonna have, like, really long-ass names, you know, and some people might have really short names. So, how about I will just use the center. Okay, I'm gonna center this. And then let's, center this to center. And then let's go to the scene. Okay. And then let's just make this as center as possible to the character. The HP bar, how about? Okay, now if I type in a crap load of stuff, and then just go like, okay. Oh, it'll get rid of it actually. So let's make a little bit of a smaller minimum size. Let's go to 20. Okay, that's enough, right? It's a pretty long name. I don't think anyone's going to have a name longer than that. So that's the maximum characters for this. Let's go to 20 as well. And then let's make a really long, weird-ass guild name that no one's ever going to actually have. So that's the maximum characters. I think that's fine. I guess. Oh. Okay. God amongst us. Because I'm God in this game. Obviously. So, what do you guys think of my wife?
Whore.
Yeah, whore. Yeah, who said that? Hey, Maki, come here.
Hi.
Come here.
Oh, not that.
I'm showing off my sexy wife. Come on.
I've already said hi.
No, I'm showing you off. Come here. No.
Come here. Yeah, I'm hiding.
Say hi to them. Oh my god, don't grab my tits. What do you think of this? I worked on this with the help of my patrons and stuff.
Huh?
So the people that are paying me, money to make the game and stuff.
What is it?
It's like the new build button. I thought like I was working on it and I got input and advice from other people, and this is kind of like the thing I came up with. Does it look better? No, it's a build button. Does it look good?
It's good.
Stop.
Just let me kiss you.
Maki, I got people watching us. Actually,
can they see us?
yes. Of course they can see us. Oi, yamero. You're not funny. Oh. Yeah, see? This is my Discord now. Just look at all the people. I don't look at this. All the people that joined just for me. And see, I got Boundless Kingdoms, YouTube streaming, idea discussion. That's what I have so far. But yeah, I didn't know.
I don't want to be seen then.
You got a lot of people that just saw you. You have like 30 people that just saw you, Maki.
Only 30 people. I don't care.
Only 30.
I'm sorry.
Money.
But you need million people to follow you.
Why a million? You're fucking greedy.
I am.
Oh.
So,
Nani.
am I loved?
Yeah, of course. Even though you ditched me for your whore friend.
Strip me. Should I strip?
Shut up. Yeah, maybe I will get a million views then. Woohoo! Ah, oh, damn it, guys. My needy ass wife is back, so I actually just lost viewers, Maki. You're annoying. Great. Sorry you guys left because of her. Alright, so I'm going to add in the code for this name thing tomorrow. But I think I've already been... Yeah, I've been streaming for like 2 hours, man. I think I'm going to call it a day. Alright, guys. Laters. Finish him. That's what they said. Finish him. Alright, call it a night. Bye. Is left because of her. Alright, so I'm going to add in the code for this name thing tomorrow. But I think I've already been... Yeah, I've been streaming for like 2 hours, man. I think I'm going to call it a day. Alright, guys. Latest. Finish him. That's what they said. Finish him. Alright. Call it a night. Bye.